So how do you get rid of ingrown nails? As a podiatrist, I urge you, please don't try to take care of it yourself. Go to your podiatrist, have them take care of it. It's a very easy, quick procedure, and it'll be done. And it won't last weeks and weeks of pain and misery from you trying to do it yourself. So if it has happened just one time, we usually do a temporary procedure where we numb up the toe with lidocaine at the base and take out the border that ingrows. It usually resolves the infection, and usually you get almost immediate pain relief getting that nail out of the flesh. So it works really well. If you have issues with chronic recurrent ingrown nails, or you have a genetic component where you have a curved border of the nail, then you may need to have more of a permanent type procedure. We say permanent, but it's only like a 90% success rate. But anyway, we take out the border again, just like a temporary procedure. And then we put a chemical called phenol, or there's other types of chemicals that are used, but the main one is phenol. And the phenol will kill the nail root. And those are the little cells at the base that produce the nail there. And it does have a 90% success rate. It has an anesthetic component and a microbial component, also cauterizes the bleeding too, the phenol does. So it's really, really helpful that way. So what happens afterwards is there's a little chemical burn because the phenol is very caustic. It'll cause a lot of draining. So you'll have to soak it and dress it as per your podiatrist instructions. So that usually takes about 3 to 4 weeks to heal. But after that, you won't have to worry about your ingrown toenail again. So I hope this helps, and please like and subscribe to Dr. Gaffney Bestfoot for more foot tips, and here's to your best foot forward.